Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of all the face wrinkles. Yes, I said that right. Frown lines, no, I said that wrong. Frown lines, laugh lines, 11s. Yes, everything overnight. I'm going to show you guys how to reduce that tremendously, naturally. No creams, no nothing needed. Okay? I already showed you guys one. Very first one I ever did with duct tape, right? And if you're looking at my 11s, yeah, maybe I'm lazy. Maybe I don't do it as often as I should, but hey, I know it works if you do it more often. Okay, so I already showed you guys, very cheap. You got duct tape at home? You got the middle of a toilet paper roll, that cardboard? Hey, you can do it that way, right? I showed you guys that in video 1. I'll post the videos down below in the description box if you want to check out those videos. Yeah, I said duct tape. Number 2, a cheap way, using a breathe-right strip to get rid of your 11, right? Now, we are using Kinesiology tape. And what is that? Come on, you guys have seen this. Like, I don't know, this is a new thing. Like, athletes wear it. They look so cool. I got kinesiology tape holding my muscle. It's supposed to act like a, how would I say, like a knee brace, kind of, for injured muscles. But what you didn't know is that it's a stretchy tape. Okay, so look. And this is cheap. This will last you all year long, okay? So let me just break off a piece, okay? Kinesiology. Yeah, kinesiology. Okay, so I'm just gonna like cut a piece, right? And look how many different lines and shapes you can do. Check this out. Okay, so I just cut a piece, right? This is kinesiology tape. And if you guys want to check out this tape, I'll post a bunch of links down below. Trust me, guys, you will love me after this. Okay, so I'm just peeling it off. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. So you see? So it stretches, right? And it puts tension on whatever you are using it for. So it doesn't stretch this way. It stretches this way, right? Okay, so I'm using this to I'm putting it on my skin at night, right? And I'm gonna jump on over to that video in a second. And I tried it 2 different ways. Okay, so I put this on my skin at night, right? Because when you sleep, you get expression lines, you get compression lines. And when I say that, compression, like imagine you squish your face up against the pillow, and that's why you can kind of see a compression line right here. Look, like right there, because I really squished my face up against the pillow. So this is going to stop the compression lines. This is going to stop you contracting your forehead, your muscles, because it is literally like, okay, like I want to bend my arm, right? But I have something that stops it from bending. That is exactly what this is going to do. You guys let me know what you think at the end of the video. But while you're down there looking at those other videos, if you could go down there and hit that little thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. And check out the links. You know, I'll post all these different colors and stuff because I actually like the black. I think it's kind of cool. But some people don't want to be going to bed looking like they're all crazy next to their partner or their husband or whatever with all this tape all over your head. So I'll find neutral colors that you guys can wear as well. Anyways, let's go ahead and just roll on over to those videos. Okay guys, so it's bedtime and I have the light shining really, really bright on my face because I want you to see this wrinkle, my 11. So right there and right there, you guys can see that, how deep it is. So we're gonna do it again tonight and we're just gonna do the same thing. But I noticed today, because I was really like sleeping heavy last night, so you can see right here, look how that line right there, it's getting more and more defined. And on this side, when I do this, of course, it's look like right here, right there, right there. It's because I've gained so much weight, and look what happens when I squish my face. So I'm getting compression lines here, and then I'm going to try it right there to see what it looks like in the morning. So we have the tape right here. Let's go ahead and just cut on the lines. So we have this cut like that. Let's go ahead and put it on those areas. So remember, I'm going to take it like this. I'm going to put it down right here, and I'm not going to pull super tight because I don't want to cause wrinkles. I'm just going to barely pull to kind of tighten it. You can see. And get the next piece right here, and then we're going to barely pull to make this smooth. Now we did pull it, so we're stuck right here, and then we pull, not too hard, and then you can see I'm going to wrinkle. trying hard. If you can wrinkle, oh, okay, look, I can wrinkle. So I can't wrinkle like that, but I think when I'm sleeping, let's pull it a little bit tighter because I'm trying to disable this muscle. Okay, so it's tighter. Yep, okay. So isn't this kind of cool that you can just cut off all the shapes that you want and use it for your whole face? I think that's really cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I think I'm going to do this. Tape it down, and then I'm going to pull it just a little bit, not too much, because look, I don't want to create wrinkles. So let's see here, I'm going to pull it like this way. And I'm thinking, look how much smoother it already is. Look, so you see the line right here? I know you see that. And just that little pull made it come up. And you don't see the line. Can you imagine doing this at night and then going to an event the next day? Everyone's gonna think you have like fresh Botox or fillers or something. So there's that line. Go right above the line. And I'm not gonna pull it like this and cause that wrinkle. So I'm gonna pull and stretch and then place it down over here. So no, so I didn't pull that as much as I should have. So let's take this off and go this way. And there you go. You look how that line just kind of plopped up. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna also do it with these lines because I hate these lines. They look like those puppets with the mouth with those lines right there. I don't know. I've gained a lot of weight and I need that. Actually, even when I was like more slender, I started noticing these lines more and more. And then if you look at a picture of my mom, I'll show you a picture right now. She has those lines. So maybe it's just kind of hereditary. So, okay, remember, we'll get the tape. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to pull it and then tape it up. And I'm hoping that this will help kind of get rid of this line. You think we should try it on this? That would be kind of cool. It's got such a double chin. What if we kind of lift it? So I think for this technique, I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so I cut it in half, and I think maybe it's a little bit too long. So I'm going to cut it again. Cut this in half. Let's try it on our chin. Okay, so you see it stretches. We're just gonna go right up here. Oh, well, let me tell you. Wow, oh my goodness. So look, you can see the fat right here, and this side kind of just pulled really tight, which is kind of cool. It's not uncomfortable at all. Okay, right here and up. Uh-oh, got my hair. And up. I feel like it doesn't let my chin come down. Now remember, we're not tugging super tight on the skin. I have it tighter here, but I'm not tugging super, super tight. Just enough where it pulls it back just a little bit. I'm going to put some collagen cream on the actual wrinkles themselves where the tape is not touching. It is actually really, really comfortable, believe it or not, with this tape on my skin. It doesn't irritate my skin at all. But I really want to try to help those wrinkles. So obviously the tape's not going to come off if the cream is not touching on them. If in case I forgot to tell you, your skin has to be pretty clean for this stuff to stick. Because if you have any oil, like I had a little bit of oil on my neck right here, if you have any oil on your skin, the tape will start coming off, and we don't want that. So this just so you know, guys, and you guys know I've tested a lot of different products. This Algenist collagen, sleeping collagen cream is so beyond amazing, honestly. So it is a heavy like balm feel, but I'm really, really thinking that it's going to help me with all my little issues. So I'm just going to rub it in those spots and obviously put it under the eyes as well. Remember, we're not actually putting not putting the tape on top of the wrinkle. We're putting the tape above the wrinkles and pulling, because we want to make sure that when we sleep, they're stretched nice and tight. We're not frowning in the middle of the night or squishing our face into the pillow to make those wrinkles come out more. So, and an 8 hour sleep should actually help improve these wrinkles tremendously, especially if I'm not like wrinkling or making any expressions that will emphasize those wrinkles to look more embedded, I guess you could say. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. So let's go ahead and take off this tape together. It's really early in the morning, guys. It looks like my chin might have come up right here, but I don't know about you guys. Sometimes I sweat when I sleep, and so this I think I was fiddling with or scratching. Anyways, let's go ahead and just take everything off. Ooh, you know what, guys? If you got any facial hair, it doesn't feel good when you pull it off. But it's like, it's like waxing your face. Owie. Okay, right here. And you know what? Look at this. Like, I can't even express to you how oily I am. Like, look at that. You can see how it glistens off the light. Let's see. In the cheek area, it's fine pulling it off. So what do we think so far? Let me turn the camera this way. What do you guys think about these lines right here? I think they actually look better. I don't think they're like so embedded like they were, especially on this side, which is kind of weird because when I was sleeping, it's like the tape almost makes like the whole chunk of your skin right there freeze together. So instead of it being able to fold or anything, it's like anytime you would move, it would go like this or it would go like this, making that big chunk, right? But I feel like on this side even more, maybe I should have tightened this a little bit more. But I feel like on this side, it really helped like flatten that fold right there. Okay, let's try the forehead, because look at this. Yeah, it looks so tight, doesn't it? But I don't know, let's take this off. Wow. Look at how flat it is. So it's more like you just see the one line instead of the other line next to it. Wow. So I don't know if it's just me or maybe you guys notice a difference, but in my chin area, I feel like it's flatter right here, which is interesting, but there's more here. So like it's emphasized a little bit more here and it's flatter right here. I almost feel like I should have taken the whole piece of tape and put it right here and then pushed it up, because I honestly think that it did a difference in my chin. But my forehead looks amazing, and nothing changed. So these lines right here, this line right here, nothing changed. I think that I did not pull it the proper direction. I think I should have gone up like this instead, kind of like I put the tape here and then I went up. I think I should have done the same with this thing, like that, instead of
I don't know how I did. I think I did like that. I don't know. But this one, it didn't do anything on my lips. I think my folds look amazing. I think my forehead actually looks amazing right here. And my chin, wow.
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought. If you have any suggestions, you know what? Because it was a viewer that told me to try the Breathe Right strip, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. You always give me new suggestions, new things to try, and you guys know me. I will try it. Anyways, once again, guys, please hit that thumbs up button, a little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I love all of you guys, and let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.